NewJeans. NewJeans just came out. NewJeans Cool With You official MV side A and B. Is that Hoyeon? Just based on, is this? I don't know anything about like of the teaser. I don't know if any teasers came out, but that looks like her, right? Is that her? Listen, Hybe's been killing the game. Real talk. Like, oh my god. I got no complaints though. I got no complaints. I like it. I like it. They producing fire each time. I just took a shower. I needed to freshen up. I just woke up. The first thing I'm gonna check out is NewJeans Cool With You official MV side A first, then B. We'll see what's the difference. I guess maybe there's different stories. Oh, this might be a long video. Later today I'll be live on Twitch, probably around 6 p.m. PST. And without further ado, let's check out NewJeans Cool With You. Wow, that sounded, wow, am I a rapper? Bar? What? Ooh, yes, walk that walk, Miss Ma'am. Oh, that is her, right? Hoyeon? Is that how you say it? Damn, she is tall. And they walking, like, wait, what's happening? Oh, maybe that's the assistant and then she's the... Damn, she is walking like she's in a runway. That is her. Okay. Oh! What is happening? What? Am I in a... Is this Inception? So, is she Cupid? Is she lonely? Is she... She's all in black. This is what I'm tired about Hybe, bro. They keep on making some inner meaning, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Ooh, yes, Miss Ma'am. Grab that. I knew it. Grab that umbrella. Oh, wait. She knew. Cool With You, side A. Adore. NewJeans. Let's go. Ooh, in the rain. The cold rain. That's Europe rain. There's somewhere in Europe somewhere. Have to be. Oh.
You know me like no other.
Ooh. Hey. Ooh, we will. Yes, Miss Danielle. Explain the picture to me.
And I think I like your point of view.
This feels like this will be playing in the rain. If it ever rains in LA, I'll blast this. Even without the rain. Hey, ooh, okay. What are we trying to do? What? Hey. Bro, NewJeans the vibe. NewJeans the vibe. It's over. Wait, hold up. What? You're just staring at him like that? Excuse me, ma'am. Imagine someone staring at you like that. I mean, he's of art. He is? Wait. Oh, they're following each other. Oh. NewJeans like peeking from afar. Ooh. Ooh, on some Sade-ish? Bruh. Ooh. Oh shit. Hey. And they just watching? Hey, what's going down? Huh? Oh, she's not real? Or is she a vampire? Wait, how come you don't see her reflection? See, this is why I hate about this. You know why I hate about this? It's such a vibe. I want to groove to it, but there's so much happening in the music video that I have to pay attention and not groove. Maybe I could do both. Let's do it. Oh, ew! If you see, I'm sorry, that's NewJeans, but listen. One of my biggest fears are the demonic children. Listen, if there's like a ending hallway and then there's like this little boy girl say, hey, play with me. No, that gave me that type of vibe for a minute. I'm sorry, I do apologize, but if I ever catch a look at my window and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls just sitting across from the rooftop, I'll be into shock a little bit. I'm like, oh! But if they start singing Hype Boy and Ditto and Super Shy, then I know it's a personal concert. You know what I'm saying? Anyways. It's kind of haunting, actually. Oh. Oh, what's happening? Oh. We are one with nature? Whoa, okay. This is artsy, and they just staring from afar. Are they like, what is happening? I mean, I know that probably does feel good, but man, you are booty butt naked in the middle of the street. Well, oh, okay. What? Will will side B explain more? Does anybody? Yeah. Okay. Hoyeon's walk is everything. Yes. Oh, someone said this Greek mythology concept for the MV story has me in awe. I love Greek mythology. It was Greek mythology, and the myth of Eros and Psyche is so. Oh, it's the myth of Eros and Psyche, or Psyche. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's so beautiful. The angelic voice of NewJeans just accompanied the story so well. My take on the story. Ooh. Okay, this is someone's take. Shout out to you. My take on the story of the two MVs is that Hoyeon represents Eros / Cupid. She was Cupid. Oh my God, I got that right. Damn. As you can see, she's making people fall in love. Then in front of Eros is Psyche. Of the Eros. Oh, it was Eros and Psyche. Oh damn, I didn't even know that. Painting. She meets her, Psyche, the guy next to her. The painting is a big symbol of the story. We follow Cupid as she admires him, but it seems like he doesn't notice her in the original. Psyche is not allowed to look at Cupid, so that might be hinting at the myth. At the end of the side A, Cupid sheds her black clothing, which I think is symbolism for her being Cupid, because after the conversion to human, she doesn't wear black anymore. Okay. I don't want to look. It might be spoilers. Hold up. Let me look. Okay, so it is about Cupid. All right, side B. This is where we last left off. I guess she shed her Cupidness off. She went, she's booty butt naked, human, in the rain. In 3, 2, 1. It's the same song, but just different storytelling. They did this with Ditto in their promotions when they first came out. No, I like this. Now I'm invested.
You know me like no other.
Oh, with the choreo. Okay, fire. So we're getting a performance version with the story continuation.
And I think I like your point of view.
This is such a vibe, bro. I'm gonna probably put this on blast once we do. I'm gonna go out after this. I'm gonna edit this, upload this, and then go get groceries. I'm gonna bump this everywhere. She's coming back as a human, I think. Oh, but he recognizes her this time. Hey, yo, he looked you up and down like, hey, aw, she's adorable. Bro, such a chill song. Aw, they look so happy. I actually don't know the full mythology of this, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Aw, but they're cute together. This part's kind of crazy to me. Just lighten up the beat and just focus on the vocals for a bit. Hey, yo. Ooh, that painting though too. Oh no. Please, God. Please. This is me holding for dear life, hoping nothing happens. I don't know why, my gut feeling something. I've watched too many dramas and Please. Please, no. Who? Oh, that's a famous actor too. Wait, where are you coming from? What are you looking at? Oh, what is he supposed to represent? I don't know the story. What happens? I knew it. God damn it. God damn it. He doesn't see him. Or what happens? What? What happened? Oh, he doesn't recognize her. Oh wait, is she? Wait, who was that? Is that the original Cupid? And maybe made him fall in love with somebody else? Oh, that's fucked up if that's the case. Wait, I gotta know. Bro, I forgot about NewJeans for a second. I got so invested into this movie. Damn. Okay, it is Hoyeon. Miko Vela. Ooh. Oh, Tony Lo. Yeah. Famous actor too. Shin Woo Suk. Wait, what? So she just goes on being Cupid and that's it? Oh. Oh my god, I thought my headphones were tripping on me. You just played it right all in my right ear. I thought one of my headphones just like blanked out. You saw me? I was like checking. Then boom. Ooh, I love the audio. Ooh. So who do they represent? Like, are they sirens? Or oh my god. Bro, I have never been so invested in some lore since BTS, to be honest. Like in this one, especially Greek mythology, I love it. Damn. Okay, so let's go back to that comment. Thank you to Vin409. I'm not sure how accurate it is to everybody that's watching, but it's I need it. I need someone to explain. So, and stands in the rain. This is her becoming human and abandoning her duties as Cupid because now she from here on continues to side B. Thank you for the warning. Okay, because she is now human, the guy is able to see her and she becomes a muse. As he is an artist, so she is the inspiration. Oh, okay. They are happily together until Oh, that's Aphrodite shows up. This would be Tony Leung's character. Oh my god. In the original myth, Aphrodite sent her son Eros to make Psyche fall in love with the most despicable creature on earth because people said that Psyche... I could be pronouncing Psyche wrong. It could be Psyche. So please tell me if I am pronouncing it wrong, but you understand. I don't know. Psyche could compete with Aphrodite's beauty and thus abandon her temples. Aphrodite was quite a jealous goddess when it came to beauty because she was, of course, the literal symbol of beauty itself. In the MV, Aphrodite reminds Cupid to get back on her duties and make the guy fall in love with another woman. As you can see in the MV, after Aphrodite shows up, the guy suddenly is interested in someone else. I know! That's so sad! Aphrodite is a goddess of love and beauty, also capable of making others fall in love, like her son Eros. Eros or Eros? In the end, we see Cupid wear black clothing again, maybe signifying that she is back to working as Cupid. Yeah. I had a few ideas who NJ represents in the MVs. Maybe there are other gods judging Cupids for action. Maybe. That's what I'm like, what are they? I thought at first they could represent Aphrodite being judgmental of Cupid. True. But I think Tony Leung's character being Aphrodite would make more sense. NJ could represent Cupid's consciousness because Cupid knows she shouldn't be falling in love with a human but does so either way. Edit. Some people to comment said let me know that NJ represents muses. The muses. Ah, they are. Not sirens. I was thinking muses. Who sing about Eros' story. The muses are in Greek mythology 9 goddesses who symbolize inspiration of art, science, literature, and this is fire. Especially with the Greek mythology stuff. This is dope. I kind of just want to dive back in and just watch it over and over again now that I know it. I'm probably gonna show this to everybody, but all right. Big up to NewJeans. Big up. Let me. Here you go. Good job, everybody that worked on this music video. All the actors, production, post production. Yeah. NewJeans came with a very chill vibe. It feels like a rainy day type of vibe. Sade influences. I could be wrong, but I felt that a little bit. So many influences in this song, though. I can't wait to edit it, and I can't wait to dive more into the story. But all right, y'all, thank you guys for watching. I'll be live on Twitch later today at 6 p.m. PST. If you guys want to join, we're gonna play some Mario Kart and talk about NewJeans and all K-pop. All right, y'all. See you next time, everybody. Peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.